Hey guys, thought I'd show you off an interesting program here. It's called Life Expectancy. It's something I just dug up on one of those C64 program archives. I don't know what it really does. I mean, I imagine it calculates your life expectancy, but whatever. Let's just go with it. Where do you live? City over 2 million, town under 1,000, 10,000, or a farm? Yeah, I'm sleepy right now. Let's go to city. How do you work? Desk work, baby. Well, actually, right now I work as unemployed, so I should have really chosen neither. But I suppose making videos for you guys is work. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's all fun and games. Anyway, how long do you exercise strenuously? Tennis, running, etc. I feel like that's funny. Those examples are given: tennis, running. They don't seem to have much in common. I mean, I do go out on lengthy walks, like above 10,000 steps once a week, and then, I'll skate every now and then too. So I guess, well, 2 or 3 times a week. Damn, I don't know if I actually do that even 3 times a week. Two is realistic, but not very strenuously. So I feel like probably neither. Damn. I feel like we're gonna end up like 20 years. 27 club. Um, who do you live with? Spouse, friend, or family? H lived alone for 1 to 10 years. Oh no, I'm giving away so much sensitive information. Nah, not really. Yeah, let's go with H. Lived alone 1 to 10 years. Do you sleep more than 10 hours at night? More than 10? I mean, sometimes, yeah. If I slept like 4 hours the previous night. Sometimes, yeah. I'll say, like, quite frequently, actually. I'm quite the oversleeper. Alright, let's pull it. Yes. What is your attitude? If you are intense, aggressive, or easily angered. If you are easygoing, relaxed, or a follower. Neither. A follower? Oh, you mean like leader follower type thing? Why am I talking to a program? I'm talking to you guys. I said what? Oh, you mean? I have this as a weird habit. It really depends on the situation, doesn't it? Like either way, sometimes I'll be easygoing, relaxed, and a follower. Other times I'll be intense, aggressive, or easily angered. It really depends. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. How do I come off on videos? Am I intense, aggressive, and easily angered? Or if I'm just easygoing, relaxed, and kind of a follower? Let me know. For now, I'm just gonna go with intense. Yeah! Are you happy or unhappy? Oh wow, really hitting it with the fucking hardball questions here, huh? Oh my god, this is like aesthetic, if I can just zoom in. Are you happy or unhappy? This could be like Tumblr content in 2013, where everybody was posting this kind of like vapor punk type stuff with like old computers and shit. Just needed a different screen color, like blue on black. Blue and black. I'm not gonna change it now though. I don't want to mess it up just in case. Let's say that I am happy. Well, like in between, so I'll say neither. Neither. I haven't answered neither yet. Have you had a speeding ticket in the last year? I don't even have a car, dude. This is dated right now. Nobody's got cars. Do you earn more than 50,000 a year? No, I earn 0 a year. I can't even monetize my YouTube channel. What is your educational background? Graduate or professional degree? Well, I got an undergraduate degree and I'm doing a graduate degree right now, so is that a graduate degree? Well, no, because technically once you do your undergraduate degree, then you're a graduate, right? And then, the things they don't teach you in university, eh? And then postgraduate is like your master's. So technically I'm in a postgraduate degree right now, so I technically am a graduate. So I guess I'll choose L, but I don't know if that's correct. Besides, it's like between America and the UK. Are you 65 or older and still working? No, but I sure feel like that sometimes. How long did your grandparents live? If any grandparents live to 85 years old, if all grandparents live to 80 years old, yeah, my grandma on my dad's side, she died at like 96 or something. That's crazy. And my other grandma, I don't even know how old she is, and she's still going. Like she was a very, well, she's like the opposite of me, I guess. She was always involved in sports and whatnot. Um, yeah, I'll say K for this one. Has any parent died of a stroke or heart attack before age 50? No, thank God, no. Maybe I'll be the first. Parent or sibling under 50 has or had diabetes since childhood? No. Not that I know of, anyway. Because you can apparently have diabetes and not even know about it. That's crazy. How much do you smoke? Well, I do vape, but I don't think that's really comparable. I mean, vaping isn't healthy, by the way. You know, PSA right here. That's the kind of content you come to for this channel. You know, vaping isn't healthy, but it certainly doesn't carry the same risks as smoking. Like, that is easily verifiable just by the virtue that, you know, it doesn't contain burning, smoke, or any of the additives that are usually in cigarettes. But, on the other hand, vaping may have unknown risks we don't know of yet. It's just that they're not anywhere near as obvious, so probably not as bad as with smoking. I'm gonna, you know, hell freeze over before I give up vaping, though. How do you drink the equivalent of a quarter bottle? Do you drink the equivalent of a quarter bottle of liquor a day? Wait, what? Quarter bottle of liquor? Isn't liquor like hard alcohol? Hold on, let me Google this. Liquor, alcohol percentage. Here's my, 40% ABV. Holy shit, I drink like, I don't know, 4 beers in a month? I'm not a big alcohol person. For me, it's that green herb. That's where it's at. I'll say no then, right? That's an I. How heavy are you? Overweight by 50 pounds or more, over by 30 to 50 pounds, over by 10 to 30 pounds. Boy, I'm really getting into this. I'm gonna go weigh myself, actually. How old are you now? Under 30, baby. You are expected to live to the age of 68 years. That's not fucking outliving 36% of the men and 20% of the women. I don't know why. Why so low though? Fuck you. That is too low, man. I need to live to like 168 years or infinity. That's how old I need to live. Bruh.